Welcome to PREMIA TNC YouTube channel. Are you thinking about starting a business in Hong Kong? You're making a great choice. As one of Asia's top business hubs, Hong Kong attracts entrepreneurs and companies from all over the world with its strategic location, strong legal framework, and business-friendly policies. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about company registration in Hong Kong, from choosing the right business structure to understanding compliance requirements. With its low corporate tax rates, straightforward incorporation process, and excellent financial infrastructure, Hong Kong provides businesses with a competitive edge in the region. Whether you're a startup or an expanding multinational, setting up here is simpler than you think. Stay tuned as we break down the key steps and essential details to help you register your company smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about Hong Kong as a prime trade hub. Positioned at the heart of Asia, Hong Kong serves as the perfect gateway for businesses looking to access mainland China and other key Asian markets. With its close proximity to the Greater Bay Area, companies here can tap into one of the most dynamic economic regions in the world. Plus, major Asian cities are just a 4-hour flight away, making Hong Kong an ideal base for regional operations. No wonder over 9,000 businesses have chosen to set up their regional headquarters here. Next, let's look at Hong Kong's key tax advantages. The city boasts one of the simplest and most competitive tax systems globally, featuring just 3 main direct taxes. Profits tax 8.25% on the first Hong Kong dollars 2 million in profits, and 16.5% for amounts beyond that. Salaries tax capped at 15% for individuals. No VAT, no sales tax, no capital gains tax, and no withholding tax. These tax incentives, combined with policies like tax exemptions for private funds and qualifying debt instruments, create a highly efficient tax environment for businesses and investors. One of the biggest reasons companies choose Hong Kong is its business efficiency. Fast incorporation process. You can set up a business in as little as 1 week. Transparent regulations, a business-friendly legal framework supports foreign investors. World-class infrastructure. Hong Kong's transportation, telecommunications, and utilities make running a business smooth and efficient. It's no surprise that Hong Kong consistently ranks among the world's easiest places to do business. Lastly, let's talk about capital accessibility. As a global financial hub, Hong Kong offers businesses easy access to capital through its extensive banking network, stock market, and investment opportunities. Key initiatives like Stock Connect, Bond Connect, and Wealth Management Connect provide seamless financial integration with mainland China. Plus, Hong Kong is home to the largest offshore renminbi market, making cross-border transactions simple and efficient. When registering a company in Hong Kong, businesses can choose from several entity types, each catering to different needs and objectives. A private limited company is the most common business structure, offering limited liability protection for shareholders. It can enter contracts, hold assets, and conduct business in its own name. With no restrictions on foreign ownership and a simple setup process that takes about a week, it is the preferred choice for entrepreneurs and startups. The corporate tax rate applies only to profits generated within Hong Kong, making it an attractive option for international businesses. A branch office is an extension of a foreign company, meaning that its liabilities are borne by the parent entity. It follows the same tax regulations as local companies and requires registration with the Hong Kong Companies Registry. This structure allows businesses to establish a presence in Hong Kong while maintaining operational ties with their headquarters. A representative office is ideal for foreign companies that wish to explore the market without engaging in profit-generating activities. This entity can conduct research and marketing but cannot enter contracts or generate revenue. Since it does not need to register with the company's registry, compliance requirements are minimal. For smaller businesses, sole proprietorships and partnerships are simple and cost-effective options. A sole proprietorship is owned by a single individual who assumes full responsibility for the business, while partnerships allow 2 or more individuals to share ownership and management responsibilities. These structures are easy to set up and operate but do not offer the liability protection of a corporation. Essential steps for company incorporation. What is the minimum requirements? To incorporate a company in Hong Kong, you must meet several key requirements. These include having at least one director and one shareholder, appointing a company secretary who must be based in Hong Kong, and providing a local registered address for the company. Additionally, you need a designated representative to fulfill reporting obligations to the Significant Controllers Register. While there is no minimum share capital requirement, and ensuring compliance with these criteria is essential for legal recognition and operation within Hong Kong's regulatory framework. Next, timeline and process. The incorporation process generally takes 1 to 2 weeks and involves several key steps. These include selecting a business name, preparing and filing the necessary documents with the relevant authorities, obtaining any required licenses or permits, and registering for taxes. Additionally, it is important to ensure compliance with local regulations and maintain accurate records. This brief overview sets the stage for a more detailed exploration of each step later in the guide. Then, documents required. To incorporate a company in Hong Kong, you need to prepare and submit several key documents. These include the incorporation form, Form NNC-1 for a company limited by shares, or Form NNC-1G for a company not limited by shares, the company's Articles of Association, and the Notice to Business Registration Office, Form IIRBR1. Additionally, you must provide detailed information about the shareholders and directors, the company constitution, and proof of the registered address. Foreign shareholders must submit copies of their passports and proof of residential address, while local shareholders need to provide copies of their Hong Kong ID cards. Steps to incorporate a company in Hong Kong. Step 1. Choose a business structure. Select the right structure based on ownership, liability, and compliance needs. A limited partnership is popular due to flexibility and limited liability. Key requirements include at least one shareholder and one director, any nationality, not required to reside in Hong Kong. A Hong Kong-based company secretary, resident, or licensed provider. A registered business address in Hong Kong and a fiscal year-end date for tax filing. Step 4. Register a company name. Choose a unique and professional name that complies with company's registry rules. Check availability via the company's registry's e-services portal and the trademark register. English names must end with limited, and Chinese names with Yu Xiangongxi. Avoid restricted or misleading names. Step 3. Prepare incorporation documents. To register a company, you need to prepare and submit the required documents to the company's registry. This includes the NNC-1 NNC-1G form, which details company information such as directors, shareholders, and share capital, and the IRBR1 form, which registers the business with the Inland Revenue Department. Additionally, the Articles of Association must be provided to define the company's structure and internal rules. You will also need to submit ID documents of directors and shareholders, along with proof of registered address, if requested. Engaging a professional service provider can help ensure compliance throughout the process. Step 4. File with company's registry. File documents with the company's registry. Submit incorporation documents and company officer details. Professional services like PREMIA TNC can help navigate regulatory requirements. Step 5. Receive incorporation and business registration certificate. After incorporation, it is essential to obtain key certificates to formalize your business. The Certificate of Incorporation issued by the company's registry confirms the company's legal status. Additionally, the Business Registration Certificate, BRC, issued by the Inland Revenue Department, IRD, serves as the company's tax identification and must be renewed annually or every 3 years. These documents are crucial for legal compliance and business operations. Lastly, post-incorporation compliance. While not mandatory, opening a corporate bank account is recommended for financial management and tax compliance. Most banks require a valid BRC. Keeping up with renewals ensures smooth business operations in Hong Kong. Regulatory compliance and reporting in Hong Kong. First, annual return and tax filing. Filing an annual return, AR, is a mandatory compliance requirement for all registered companies in Hong Kong, ensuring that up-to-date company information is recorded with the company's registry. The submission involves Form NAR-1, which details key company data including shareholders, directors, the company secretary, registered address, and share capital structure. Compliance with this requirement under the company's ordinance promotes transparency and accountability, making company information publicly accessible and reinforcing investor trust and business credibility. Companies must file their annual return within 42 days of their incorporation anniversary each year, an unextendable deadline. In addition to the AR, companies are required to file a tax return to comply with Hong Kong's tax regulations. Both filings are essential to maintaining good standing and avoiding penalties. To assist with timely submissions, the Hong Kong government offers tools like the Annual Return Filing Calculator. Notably, the annual return must be submitted every year even if no company details have changed, underscoring the need for continuous compliance to prevent legal or financial consequences. Second, accounting and auditing requirements. Private limited companies in Hong Kong must adhere to specific accounting and auditing regulations to ensure transparency and compliance. Depending on their size and business needs, companies can follow different financial reporting standards, including the Hong Kong Financial Reporting Standards, HKFRS, HKFRS for private entities, or the Small and Medium-Sized Entity Financial Reporting Framework and Financial Reporting Standard, SMEFRF and SMEFRS. Each year, companies must prepare financial statements, including a balance sheet, profit and loss account, and cash flow statement, which are then presented to shareholders. Additionally, these financial statements must undergo a statutory audit conducted by a certified public accountant, CPA, in Hong Kong to verify their accuracy and fairness. Directors are responsible for preparing an accompanying report, while auditors must provide an independent audit report. These requirements are mandated by the company's ordinance, Caption 6922, which governs accounting record-keeping, the preparation and distribution of financial statements, and the appointment and responsibilities of auditors. This regulatory framework ensures high standards of financial reporting and auditing, providing stakeholders with reliable insights into a company's financial health. Company secretary and registered address. Every company incorporated in Hong Kong must appoint a company secretary, as required by the Hong Kong Companies Ordinance. The company secretary plays a vital role in corporate governance, acting as a liaison between the company and regulatory bodies such as the company's registry and the Inland Revenue Department. Their responsibilities include filing annual returns, maintaining statutory records, and coordinating shareholder and director meetings, ensuring the company remains compliant with all legal requirements. Only individuals or corporate entities residing in Hong Kong and licensed under the Hong Kong Trust and Corporate Service Provider can serve as a company secretary. Notably, the sole director cannot also act as the company secretary. Beyond compliance, company secretaries offer crucial support by advising on governance matters, managing share transfers, and facilitating clear communication with stakeholders, helping to ensure smooth company operations. In addition, every Hong Kong company must have a registered address, which serves as the official location for receiving government and legal correspondence. This must be a physical address in Hong Kong, ensuring that all official documents, notices, and communications from regulatory authorities are properly received. Together, the company secretary and registered address are fundamental to maintaining compliance and ensuring effective communication with Hong Kong's regulatory bodies. Statutory records in Hong Kong. Maintaining updated statutory records is a crucial requirement for private limited companies in Hong Kong to ensure legal compliance and operational efficiency. Companies must keep precise records, including registers of members, directors, and company secretaries. Failure to comply can result in legal consequences and substantial fines. Proper record keeping not only ensures regulatory adherence, but also enhances transparency and accountability, fostering trust among directors, shareholders, and other stakeholders. Beyond compliance, accurate statutory records are essential for financial management, decision-making, and tax filing. They facilitate smooth audits and inspections by regulatory authorities, helping companies avoid legal issues. Additionally, maintaining up-to-date records supports daily operations, provides a historical reference for dispute resolution and enables informed business decisions. By ensuring meticulous record-keeping, companies can uphold good governance, streamline operations, and remain fully compliant with Hong Kong's legal requirements. Why choose PREMIA TNC for incorporating your business in Hong Kong? First, expert incorporation solutions. PREMIA TNC ensures a smooth, fully compliant business setup with expert guidance through Hong Kong's regulations. We simplify compliance complexities, allowing you to focus on growth while maximizing tax advantages and cost efficiency. Second, comprehensive business support. From company registration to ongoing compliance and tax advisory, we handle all essential corporate needs. Our team ensures regulatory adherence, manages filings, and optimizes tax strategies for long-term success. Third, trusted partner for foreign investors. With a proven track record, we specialize in helping foreign businesses establish and grow in Hong Kong. Our tailored solutions, extensive network, and dedicated support provide a hassle-free expansion experience. Partner with PREMIA TNC for a seamless business incorporation and growth journey in Hong Kong.